Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I will be guiding you how to recover your Coinspot account. So let's get to it right away since the process is quite easy. First of all, open a web browser and in the URL box type in coinspot.com.au and press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official website. Click on the login button at the top right corner in order to end up in this sign-in page. If you remember your credentials, you will need to enter it right here in the text boxes and click login to access your Coinspot account. But if you've forgotten your password during the process and you don't know what to do next, all you need to do is to click on this forgot your password link. It'll then take you to reset your password page where you'll need to enter the email address you are currently using for your Coinspot account. Once you do so, click on I'm not a robot. Click on email password reset button and a password reset email will be sent to you. Open up a new tab and log into your email inbox to reach out to the link that you received from Coinspot. Once you get to the inbox, click open the email from Coinspot support and you will be able to see a link right there. Click on it to get to a new page where you can easily enter a new password. This time, enter the password which will be easier for you to remember next time. Once you enter the password, re-enter it on the next field and click on the reset button. Soon after that, you will be able to see that you have successfully reset a password. You can now click the login button and enter your email and the newly created password for your account. Once done, click on I'm not a robot and hit login to regain access back to your account for Coinspot. So that was how you can easily break through your account even if you've forgotten your login password during the login process on Coinspot. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.